Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is March monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn S sign. What are the messages for Capricorn and what's going on? What are the messages for Capricorn? What are the messages for Capricorn? Knight of Swords, the Hangman and Six of Swords. Clear energy. King of Wands, Five of Cups and the Empress. Okay, Knight of Cups. Okay, Justice. Two of Cups. Under the deck, Seven of Pentacles. So you are waiting for someone or something. Maybe you are waiting for your money. You invested your money in some businesses and waiting for the result. Maybe you are waiting for your person to come back if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, you are waiting that your relationship you want to go your relationship to next level. Maybe you are in relationship, you want marriage with your person. That type of you are waiting mode, Capricorn. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Knight of Swords, the Hangman and Six of Swords. In this deck, this is Hanged Man, but another deck this is Hanged Man. That's why. So recent past, Knight of Swords, the Hangman and Six of Swords. Maybe you are in some confusion state. You don't know what to do. Maybe for some you decided to move on from this person because you don't know. Because the Hangman, maybe you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, and but someone is rushing to talk with you. In recent past, maybe your person approached you to talk with you. Maybe they want to send some message, some communication, and Six of Swords. This could be long distance, some communication. In past, everything about communication, but you are still at some confusion, Hangman, and you are thinking about something a lot, Capricorn. And present, Queen of Wands, Five of Cups and the Empress. I think you both are very powerful and very grounded, very attractive persons. You both are, but there is some loss for you. It could be financial, it could be personal. Five of Cups, you are feeling sad for something or for someone, about someone, Capricorn. Maybe if you are in a separation, maybe you are feeling for your separation, Five of Cups. But you stand by your power, you will overcome this phase. Then you stand by your power. Your person also very grounded and they are also very attractive and powerful. This is powerful couple type situation. You both are on the same page, Capricorn. Future, Knight of Cups, Justice and Two of Cups here. So there is mutual love between both of you, you and your person between. There is mutual love. You both have so much love for each other. And Justice with Knight of Cups, someone is returning for second chances because Justice is marriage. I already told you are waiting for marriage if you are in relationship. If you are in separation, definitely someone is coming back in near future, Knight of Cups. But this is slow moving energy, Capricorn, but they are coming back for second chances. Maybe now you stand by your power, Justice. You have to make decision. You only the decision maker in this situation right now, but there is mutual love between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Eight of Swords. Right now your person is stuck, feeling stuck. That's why they are coming very slowly. You also stuck because the Hangman is here. Maybe you feeling stuck in this connection. So, Capricorn, your person current feelings. Wow. Six of Cups, King of Wands and Page of Swords. Communication, maybe they're spying on you on social media, they're watching you. And Six of Cups, they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe if you are in separation, they want reconciliation with you. They are very passionate about you. King of Wands. And they're thinking about you as you are very powerful and you are very attractive. They're thinking about you like that way. And Six of Cups. You both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. They may be spying on you on social media because Page of Swords, energy, communication, message. They want to communicate with you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Capricorn. Your person near future actions towards you in the month of March. Queen of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, I think in past there is no equal give and take between both of you. And Nine of Pentacles. See, 8 to 9. So there is no equal give and take in this connection. You only the person always invested in this connection, but your person realized you both. Now they want to offer equal give and take here because Six of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Now they want to give clarity and communication is coming. And your person also very straightforward in nature. For some, they are blunt also while communicating. And Eight of Pentacles is here. They really want to work on this relationship. Again, this is very slow moving but stable. Yeah, this time your person is very serious about you because Six of Pentacles with Eight of Pentacles. Here under the deck, Nine of Pentacles. Your person is already financially very stable and very popular person for some. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. They're thinking about you a lot and they're coming back. They're very serious about you this time. They're spying on you. Yes, Seven of Swords. Yeah. Three of Cups. They want reconciliation. They want this happiness with you. Celebration. And Seven of Swords. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you. Maybe for some it could be third party situation. They hurt you in past. Now they're realizing because they have so much love for you, King of Cups. They really want to offer this cup of love to you. For some, you both have some trust issues. Because Seven of Swords. Manipulator, playing games in past. That's why you are not trusting your person. Maybe for some. Capricorn. But yeah, you are juggling. Yeah, because in past they are not treating you well. That's why you are not trusting them easily this time because still you are juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make. You are very indecisive about this person. Mutual spying, stalking. Yeah, lot of spying and lot of stalking. They won't give up on you. Definitely one person won't give up on this connection. Seven of Wands. And spying. Yeah, they're stalking on you and they're watching you. Capricorn. So Capricorn, let's see your overall energy for the month. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Again, Seven of Swords. Someone is sneaking this connection. But you stand by your power. You overcome all the trauma and drama. Yeah, your money was very good. Capricorn, you achieve financial stability, material stability. Yeah, you are holding back because you are not trusting them easily. This time, you are also undergoing some spiritual awakening. But you are super balanced. You are taking your power back. That is very good. Don't depend on anyone too much, guys. It creates so much insecurity and so much mental imbalance. Keep on doing work on yourself, invest energy on yourself. That is very good for you. It is not easy, but you have to. Nothing is impossible. Okay. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. The Hermit. Yeah, your person also undergoing some transformation. The Sun. Maybe they are knowing that you are the sunshine and happiness. The Emperor. And Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, they're spying on you. In divine timing, they will come towards you. Knight of Pentacles. They're coming back. This time your person is very serious about you. Yeah. Maybe your person have some ego problems to come towards you. To make a first move towards you. But they will come. Spying. They're spying on you. Stalking on you on social media. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. A win-win outcome is forecast, especially full moon in Libra. Wow. So this is a situation for you. Definitely you will win any situation. This is a luck on your favor, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.